Hi, this is Hirok Das. In this lecture series, we will discuss about the engineering services previous year's question in electronics engineering branch, and these questions came from electronics measurement and instrumentation. Let's go through the question. Loading effect is primarily caused by instrument having high resistance, high sensitivity, low sensitivity, and option D is high range. At first, we have to understand what is loading effect. What does this loading effect means? Suppose two resistance R1 and R2 connect with a voltage source V. Okay, and the voltage across this resistance R2 is V0. Now, what will be the value of V0? V0 will be V into R2 R1 plus R2. Now you want to measure this voltage V0 with a voltmeter. Again this circuit I draw. This is voltage V, this is R2 and this is R1, and here voltage is V0. Now you connect across R2 a voltmeter V. Okay, the voltage of this voltmeter is measured V dash, V0 dash. Okay, now what happened is V0 dash and V0 will be same? No, this will not be same, because there is a resistance which is connected here. This is across this voltmeter. There is also a resistance which affect the output voltage V0. Okay, because now here V0 dash value will be V0, means V voltage, that means V into R1, not R1, the value will be for this V0 value will be, this value will be V0, V voltage, that's V into R2, because there is not only the resistance R2, with R2 there is also another resistance. Suppose this is R2 dash. Okay, this R2 parallel R2 dash divided by R1 plus R2 parallel R2 dash. This value, that means this voltage V0 and V0 dash will not be same. That means the loading effect is the output voltage effect for this resistance R2. This is called loading effect. And now go through the option. At first, option A, high resistance. If this resistance is very high, this R2 dash is very high, then what happen? This resistance, if this resistance, suppose this resistance equal to infinite, very high, then current through this junction, this terminal will be 0. That means there is no current flowing, and this voltage drop across this resistance R2 will be 0. So V0 will be V0 dash. That means for high resistance there is no loading effect. This option is not right. Then high sensitivity, for high sensitivity instrument, loading effect is very less, so option B also wrong. And low sensitivity, this is the right answer. Okay, and for high range instrument the loading effect is not different. So this sensitivity, and always remember one thing. Remember, for good measuring instrument, loading effect sensitivity should be very high. Sensitivity should be very high for any kind of measuring instrument. It's good, very good. For the, if instrument is very good, or it's said that the perfect instrument if this sensitivity is very high. And here learn one thing. What is sensitivity? Sensitivity means sensitivity is the ratio of change in output value divided by change in input value or measured value. Okay, so for this question C is the right answer, and that's all for this. Thank you.